Once you're out in the field, the first thing you want to do is set the base station on the tripod at its highest setting and power it on. Position the tripod 20 to 30 yards away from your drone in open space, and wait at least 3 minutes after doing so before powering on your copter. Once the copter is powered on, you will see lights appear on the AIS indicating sensor status. After 20 to 30 seconds, the system will complete its pre-flight checks and the lights on the AIS will start to flash. As each light turns solid, this will tell you how strong of an RTK signal the sensor is getting. The first light to turn solid will be red, which tells you that the sensor and base station are communicating. Shortly after that, the yellow light will turn solid, indicating an RTK float fixed type. From here, wait 3 minutes for the green light to turn solid. After 3 minutes have passed, or when all lights are solid, you're okay to start the data collection. To start a mission, you want to press the button on the AIS and wait for the AIS to show a blinking green light. This confirms that data capture has started. Always make sure you see a blinking green light on the AIS before taking off. Now, when you press the button to start data capture, you want to be very careful that you do not shade the white dome on the AIS. It is often shaded by the operator's shadow or nearby tall obstructions, such as vehicles or trees. Once you see that blinking green light, go ahead and start your mission through the flight planning app. Once the copter lands, if you see a blinking green light, press the button on the AIS one more time to stop the data collection. If you're flying a multi-battery mission, you will essentially start this process over from the sensor side each time you take off, checking the RTK signal and waiting for a blinking green light. But from the flight planning side, the flight planner will resume the mission from where you last left off. Now, this will write multiple dataset folders to the SD card. You just need to make sure you upload all relevant flights when you go to upload the data.